One of the biggest hurdles for budget travelers is the cost of accommodation. Hotels can quickly drain your funds, especially in popular tourist destinations. Finding affordable and comfortable lodging is essential for maximizing your travel budget. This often involves researching various options, from hostels and guest houses to budget hotels and even homestays. Another major expense is airfare. Flight prices can fluctuate dramatically, making it challenging to find affordable options. Utilizing flight comparison websites, being open to different travel dates, and considering alternative airports can significantly reduce your airfare costs. Transportation within your destination can also add up. Public transportation such as buses and trains is often a much more budget-friendly option. Walking and cycling are also excellent ways to explore a new city while saving money and immersing yourself in the local atmosphere. Being mindful of your spending habits can make a significant difference in your overall travel budget. One of the most effective ways to save money on flights is to use fare comparison websites. These websites allow you to compare prices from multiple airlines and travel agencies, helping you find the best deals available. Be sure to check different dates and times, as prices can vary significantly. Flexibility with your travel dates can lead to substantial savings. Consider staying in hostels instead of hotels. Hostels offer budget-friendly accommodation and a unique social atmosphere. You'll have the opportunity to meet fellow travelers from around the world and share stories and experiences. Many hostels also organize social events and activities, providing opportunities to connect with other adventurers. Take advantage of travel rewards programs. Many airlines and hotels offer loyalty programs that allow you to earn points or miles for your travel. Explore free activities and attractions. Many cities offer a wealth of free activities, from museums and parks to walking tours and festivals. Section 4. Unveiling the top 3 travel hacks. Hack number 1, the shoulder season sweet spot. Travel during the shoulder seasons, which are spring and fall. You'll enjoy pleasant weather, fewer crowds, and lower prices on flights and accommodation. Hack number 2, embrace the local cuisine. Skip the tourist traps and dine like a local. Explore street food stalls, local markets, and small family-run restaurants. Hack number 3, the art of the house swap. Consider house swapping or pet sitting. Section 5. Maximizing your adventures, a recap. Budget travel is about prioritizing experiences over extravagance. By utilizing smart strategies like fare comparison websites, hostel stays, and travel rewards programs, you can significantly reduce your travel costs. Remember the top 3 hacks. Travel during the shoulder seasons, embrace local cuisine, and consider house swapping or pet sitting. These strategies can unlock incredible travel experiences without breaking the bank. Remember, budget travel is not about sacrificing comfort or experiences. It's about making smart choices. It's about focusing on what truly matters, exploring new destinations, connecting with different cultures, and creating unforgettable memories. Traveling on a budget allows you to stretch your travel funds further, enabling you to see more of the world. It empowers you to explore hidden gems, connect with locals, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Embrace the flexibility and spontaneity of budget travel and discover the true essence of adventure. Section 6. Join the adventure. Share your wisdom. What are your favorite travel hacks? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to explore the world on a budget. And don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve deeper into the art of budget travel.